It's the so-called Su. It is more than now 15 years. See, there is a crown rules and regulation in the Su. So if the cookie militants not abiding the crown rules, why should center should extend the Su in Manipur? If they are not abiding the crown rules, then this Su must be breakdown, so that the solution will come. If they are not abiding the crown rules, then how can the innocent people, can deal to these militants, the so-called militants? The so-called militants, now they are just crossing the crown rules and assess all the activities. So, as a citizen of Manipur, today I would like to appeal before the central government, please monitor and do according to the crown rules as agreed in the Su. If they are not abiding the crown rules of the Su, then it is better to break down or remove from the state of Manipur, so that the negotiation or the solution shall come in our state very soon. And the other,
see, Meiteis cannot go to the own state district, Kapopi, like Tenova, like Churachambu. And then now these cookie militants, they have occupied all the peripheral area with the support of the central paramilitary forces. So please intervene immediately. Please intervene immediately. Otherwise, these activities, may be brought more, worse situation in the days to come. So, once again, I would like to appeal to the state government through this Meetei fraternity. Please intervene and do the needful and do the justice at the earliest, so that the normalcy and the peace and the harmony shall be prevailing in our state Manipur. Thank you.